How to know who blocked you on Facebook. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, there are a few steps that you can use to know who blocked you on Facebook, and they go like this. Go ahead and open up Facebook. Now, if someone has blocked you on Facebook, first of all, try to search for their profile. Now, if you do not find their profile, or you find the profile but it's a blank profile, meaning it has no informations or profile picture, and the second confirmation is that you do find their profile using another account beside this one, then it means that that person has blocked you. And the second thing that you can do is to check your messages. If you see that this person is no longer available on your messaging section like this, but it's still available in another account other than this one, then it means that that person has blocked you. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can know who blocked you on Facebook. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.